Hey, what's up everyone? Bit Me Some back with another Bitcoin video. So currently right now we're on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. In today's video we're just going to go over a few different charts and catch hopefully a few different areas of where we could possibly catch this bounce. And we'll see where we are going to be heading. So let's just jump right into it. So right now I'm on this 4-hour time frame. If you guys notice, there is a giant red candle right now. It looks like it just happened recently within the last 4 hours. This is a 4-hour candle. So yeah, so like I said, look, if you guys remember, we were in this triangle at first, and then instead of hitting this triangle and breaking out, like it almost faked it. So it was gonna go out, then the next one comes back in. That let us know that failed, and then once we broke this box right here, it was straight drop. So that was actually a perfect area to be watching. I think when I was watching it, it was around these two candles right here. It hadn't broke yet or anything, so it was like it was getting ready to do that. Oh man, that was so close. But yeah, that was current price right now is 29,159, and the top of that was 29,875. So it dropped $800 just in this last candle. So let's just go into another chart. This is a 15-minute chart. This is I just kind of re-edited it because I had a bunch of lines on it, but pretty much for the most part, if you notice, we were up here 30,500. We were up here, and then we just straight since then been down. And this was the thing too, is what was their name? Let's see. Crypto Dreams. Let me see. Okay, let me check this out. Bitcoin Fear and Greed. Alright, this is what we're looking for. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. This time is different. So it's looking like, I don't see it on here. They haven't updated this, but it's saying it. The most recent one, I think I just seen one today also. Somebody was saying it was let's see, it's not really. Oh yeah, look at, they're all 5 days ago for that. That says live update. I'm gonna have to look for it, but yeah, as you guys can see, we were in extreme fear, so that kind of confirmed why we're moving down still. This was also looking like a double top right here. So if you notice, that was a double top, and that's kind of what confirmed this move. We also dropped like that. So but now, if you notice, we're creating this bull flag. So we are catching a bounce pretty much at that bottom. So what I'm thinking, this is on the 15-minute, by the way, is that in the next few candles, we're probably going to start catching a bounce possibly there. Let's see, I'm just going to put a horizontal line at the bottom of this, 29,000. So at 29,000, if we break 29,000, then we're coming lower. But if we get a bounce off of that, then we could be making our way back towards these boxes. Whoa. Let me put some new support and resistance lines, or as in boxes, because I need to find a new let me move this guy over a little bit just so I can see. Alright, so this will be one right here. That will be one, and I'm assuming this will be another. So if we could stay above these guys, this will be where this next one is at. Or let's do it right there then. There it is. Alright, so those will be the next target. So if we break going down, then this is not valid anymore. So it's either we're going to bounce off of here to go up to this box and then possibly get rejected again at that line, or we're going to come back up to this box, possibly break it, and then go up. But the way everything is going, it's going down right now, so it's kind of hard to go against it. We would really need to break at least this top box if we're going to start seeing higher pricing. So current price is $29,065, so it's looking like we're actually working our way down. So once we break this 29,010 area, then we're gonna see lower pricing. And the thing is the lower we go, the less stuff we got to go off of. See, I guess we could go off of this guy then. This will be the next. This would be the next area. Alright, sorry about that. I had to check something. Alright, so let's check this other chart now. So this chart right here is on, this one is on the 4 hour. Let me see. This one is, okay, I don't have that one. So this is on the 4 hour right now. If you notice, we are definitely getting a bounce. Pretty much, it didn't really touch it just yet, but this line right here is where we're pretty much going to get a bounce if we keep going down. And if you notice, this line across was one of the lines too, and the yellow one actually, because that yellow one was the 50 moving average, and we broke that one. So yeah. So if my next guess would probably be, well, if we do come back up, it'll be up to this 29,300, 29,400, and that's where we're going to make our next decision. If we hit this line and obviously get rejected, we're coming back down. But if we hit this line and get past it, then we could just jump right back into this pattern that we were kind of forming just a little while ago before we broke it. So we gotta wait till this big candle closes. Also, once this candle closes, then we'll also know where we're heading, because current price, it could just, like I said, it could just bounce right back up and then close up here, and then we're kind of back in this direction. But I think we're going to be closing in the next 45 minutes or so. So I think if this closes underneath 29,400, then yeah, we're going to probably stay underneath here and start working our way down this way. So yeah, let me give a few price targets. All right, so current price right now is 29,135. We need to stay above 29,057. That'll be our first target, and then the next target will be 29,000. So if we could stay above 29,000, then we have a chance of just, you know, continuing what we're already on, because the low was at 25,000. So once we break 25,000, then it's going to create a whole new pattern that we're going to be going a lot lower. But if you notice, from 25,000 to now currently 29,000, we're technically going up, because 29,000 is bigger than 25. All right, but yeah, so we got to stay above this 29,000. If we start working our way up, then 29,200 is our next target we need to break. And then we just got another red candle inside of this flag. So if we start breaking 29,215, then we could be seeing higher pricing after that. But if you do notice, like I said, like we got one rejection, one rejection, and then this is probably be a bounce. And then if anything, we could probably, you know what, it'll probably go halfways up here like that, and then up. Watch, we'll see. Well, we'll keep this for later just to see if it goes that way. All right, but yeah, that's kind of what I got so far for Bitcoin. It like I said, we just gotta wait for these candles to close, and then we'll definitely know where we're heading. But this was the kind of the pattern I was saying, we're moving upwards, but we did break this. This is the break of structure right here. So the fact that we broke that let us know. But in reality, we're still working our way up this way. So it's still like, it's not as much of an uptrend, because you need, the more touches the better. But current price right now is 29,013. So if we break this 29,000 pretty much, then we're going to start seeing a lot lower pricing. And we could possibly even come down to 28,600 for this bounce off of that trend. So we'll definitely just keep an eye out on that. But I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys for watching to the very end. If you made it this far into the video, you're definitely a part of the Bit Crew. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.